Hello and welcome to Module 4 in this series, which is titled The 5 Pillars of a Caregiving Experience.
Being connected to our feelings and able to identify them correctly is crucial to communicating our needs to others. In the dialogue above, the listener acknowledged and reflected back, like a mirror, the person's feelings to enable him to stay with his feelings and discover a belief in his own self-worth. Let's try a group activity now. Take a friend, colleague or family member. Try to create a dialogue in which the listener is empathic towards an individual who is seeking help. According to Carl Rogers, you can help an individual understand how they are thinking and feeling and enable them to discover the sources of their pain or difficulty.
Well, that now concludes this 4th module on the 5 pillars of skilled listening.